Welcome back, children, once again to another weekend activity. Let's do abstract art this weekend. What is abstract art? Abstract art means it does not have any particular form or shape. It depends on how you make it. It depends on the eye of the beholder or the person who is seeing it. Let's try out some shapes. For doing this activity, you can either use fabric colors, poster colors, or watercolors, whichever you like. The only thing is you have to dab the paint here or somewhere on a flat surface, and you're going to use circles. This is just a thing that I found lying around at home. These are different types of caps which I found around. This is a jam bottle I found. Okay, let's try some abstract art this time. To begin with, what we are going to do is we are going to put the rim of the bottle on top of this and get a circle outline like this. Move the bottle around once like this, so you get the paint at the rim like this. Okay, now apply it in 2-3 places on the paper. It can be anywhere in the paper like this. Again, dip it in paint and put it in another place like this and here. Okay, you can put it in anywhere you like. It depends on your idea. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smaller caps this time, rub it in the paint like this and apply small circles closer to that. It will get messy. Can you see me doing? You can create any pattern of your choice in this case. That's why it's called abstract art. Okay, now I have put a lot of circles now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of the circles slightly. I'm going to use dark green to make it prettier. I'm going to join the circles. Since I don't have a circle here, I'm going to put one like this and one to join like this. Can you see a pattern evolving? The pattern depends on how you do it. Now, once you reach like this, you can insert more circles here and there to beautify it. And even you can try a different method. The flat part of this cap can also be used for this purpose. I'm going to dip it in the paint. See, my hand is getting messy. It doesn't matter. Now I'm going to insert it in the middle.